Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Canva. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your design skills, this simple tutorial will help you get started with frames in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, open Canva and head over to the home page. On the left toolbar, you'll find the Elements tab. This is your gateway to a wide array of design elements Canva offers. Click on Elements and scroll down to find the Frames option. Frames in Canva act as placeholders that let you crop and mask images into various shapes, perfect for creating eye-catching designs. For this tutorial, let's use a simple circle frame. Once you find it, just click on the frame and then drag and drop it into your design space. Next, we'll add an image to this frame. On the left toolbar, click the Uploads tab. Here, you can either use images you've already uploaded or upload a new one from your device. To upload a new image, click the Upload button, select your image, and drag it over to the frame you placed earlier. The image will automatically snap into the frame, adjusting to fit perfectly within the boundaries. Now, to fine-tune the image inside the frame, double-click it. This lets you reposition or resize the image to make sure it appears exactly how you want it. You can also experiment with different frames and images. The more you play around, the better you'll understand how to use frames creatively in your designs. Using frames in Canva is a straightforward yet powerful way to bring your designs to life with creativity and precision. Whether it's for social media, marketing materials, or personal projects, frames can elevate your designs. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on using frames in Canva. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow.